LUTRON motorized shading solutions are a smart choice for growing your business. We've been defining motorized shading since 2003 with technology, breadth of line, and service that gives you the selling edge. Our shading innovations began with our quiet electronic drive, and we continue to innovate in order to deliver solutions that meet your customers' changing needs. Our latest advances include new technology, styles, and refreshed fabric lines. Our Sivoia QS Triathlon shades, which are wire-free, are now available in roller shades. Triathlon technology ensures a long battery life, so shades will work for 3 to 5 years without needing battery replacement. And replacing batteries is easy. The headrail was designed so you can tip it down to change the batteries without removing the shade. We've increased our breadth of line with new fashion pleated shades and fashion honeycomb shades. We've also added horizontal sheer blinds, a beautiful window treatment that combines the soft elegance of a sheer with the precise control of a blind. At the touch of a button, vanes switch from privacy to view and maintain perfect alignment across adjacent blinds. And we're excited to introduce our refreshed fabric line, the LUTRON Design Collections, which includes new fashion fabrics for rollers and new soft fabrics for curbe vertical drapery, Roman shades, and traditional drapery. We've also added fabrics for all of our shade styles. In addition, we have an entire new line of fabric books to make the selection process easier. Our dedication to the shading category doesn't stop with technology and breadth of line. We also offer technical support from our Pennsylvania headquarters 24 hours, 7 days a week. Technology, breadth of line, service. LUTRON, the leader in motorized shades.